I'm here today with a Sephora, what my Sephora wish list is. So the Sephora VIB sale is starting soon. I'll have all the information linked down below of the dates, but these are things on my Sephora wish list that I have that I am looking at purchasing. I did film a Sephora recommendations video, so make sure you check that out. I will have it linked as well as other Sephora recommendations I've done in the past, so you can get a nice idea and build up that little shopping cart. So I have my iPad here, and I'm just gonna go through and talk through a lot of the new releases and the stuff that I'm super interested in purchasing. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and decide to stay a while. Hit that subscribe button before you leave, and let's jump right into my Sephora wish list. So I have my iPad here and I'm pulling up what I have in my shopping cart, and I can't wait to share some of the things I'm looking at getting. So the first thing is, what is the Gwen Stefani brand? GXVE? Is that supposed to be Gwen XVE? I don't know how to pronounce that brand name. Let me know down in the comments. But it's her I See and Sparkle multi-dimensional glitter eyeshadow. I'm obsessed with glitter on my eyes. It's like my favorite thing. I do it every day. I love it so much. So there's a bunch of new colors. I want every color. I have every color in my shopping cart because I love every color. It's $24, so then obviously it's like 20% off of that, which is roughly a little less than $5 off. So excited to try those. The Ole Henriksen Hunt for Hydration Mini Moisturizer and Eye Cream Duo. Now I love that peptide moisturizer that comes in there. It's the one in the purple container. If you watch my empties, actually I don't think it's up yet. I finished up a full size of the peptide. I absolutely love it. So this one comes with a smaller one of those and an eye cream. So I'd be excited to try the eye cream, and I love that moisturizer. The next is a Pat McGrath Labs Mini Shine Trio in Nude Venus. So this comes with a liner, a gloss, and one of their lipsticks. And I think the color looks beautiful. I think I have Nude Venus in either the gloss or the lipstick, and I love it. It's one of my favorites. The color looks beautiful. It's a little set, and they're minis, and I love that. I think it's perfect for the purse. Next is this Westman Atelier Vital Skincare Dewy Foundation Drops. And I picked up, I think it's the shade 5. Now I bought this, or 4. I think it's the shade 4. I'm really bad with Roman numerals. It's IV. I think that's 4. I got shade 3 and it was way too light. So I really want to try it in a correct shade. So I already returned shade 3, so I want to get the next shade. And I'm really into trying all these new skin tints and stuff. So this one says it's a light to medium coverage, radiant finish. It has Tsubaki, I think the T might be said, Tsubaki oil, which visibly firms, hydrates, and retexturizes, ginseng extract for brightening, revitalizing, and soothing, and pomegranate extract for neutralizing free radicals and support healthy looking skin. So it looks nice. It's a little pricey at $68. So I figured, well, if I'm gonna repurchase it in the right shade, let's get it during the sale. Okay, now there's this new brand at Sephora called Simi Haze. I've never heard of it, but they came out with a bunch of new products, and a lot of the products have 5 stars. So this first one is the Simi Haze Beauty Sun Flush All Over Face Tint Liquid Blush. And it's $35. The color I really want to try is the peach color. And it comes in a little container with a twist off top and a doe foot applicator. So I really like liquid blushes. So I hope that it's nice. It looks really pretty online. The next is the same brand, the Super Slick Tinted Lip Balm, and the color I like is the peach pink. And the packaging is kind of cool. It's kind of fun, playful packaging. So I thought that would be fun to try. And then the Velvet Blur Matte Lipstick Balm in the shade Mist, which is a peachy color. And the top of it kind of reminds me of an EOS lip balm, but it has just fun kind of bubbly packaging. So I thought that'd be kind of nice to try. A mascara that I'm really wanting to try is the Tower 28 Beauty Make Waves Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. It's $40, which is really, is it $40 or is it because I accidentally put 2 in my cart? Hopefully it's not $40. No, it's $20. And it has great reviews. So I really want to try it. The reviews seem really good, so I thought that'd be kind of interesting. The next is Jouer Cosmetics. I have not heard that brand in so long. And it's their Paris Lights Eye Paint Liquid Eyeshadow in Brilliant. And you guys know I just love the sparkle. So the color Brilliant is a metallic bronze color, and I thought it was really pretty. All of the other ones are really cool tone. They're very like silvery, metallic-y purple, gunmetal, which I'm not into. But the bronze color looked really, really pretty. Simi Haze Beauty item that I wanted to try is the Lunar Lip Gel Lip Gloss. I'm really into like lip oil type products, and this looks kind of right up that alley. And I like the Orbit, which is the bright pink, and I'm wondering if it's gonna be similar to like these that I really love. This one is the House Labs. I might actually get another one in the orange because I use the orange one every day. But it's so nice. I really like these. Next is a Pat McGrath highlighter. It's the Skin Fetish Divine Glow Highlighter in Venus Nectar. I have seen a few swatches of this and it looks so pretty. So it's been in my cart for a while. The next is the Charlotte Tilbury Mini Flawless Filter Setting Spray. So now I love the setting spray. I bought the mini during the Nordstrom sale. There was a duo mini, and so I bought those for traveling. I have a big one that's probably about halfway done. I've already finished a large one. It was in an empties video. So I just really love, it's my favorite setting spray ever. So I want to purchase another one of those duos because I have a lot of traveling coming up soon. The House Labs by Lady Gaga foundation is on my list. I purchased it in shade, I think 200, and it was really, really light. So I have shade 300, which is medium neutral, in my cart. So I'm hoping that that'll be a good shade match. And that's the foundation that I have in my cart to try. Because like I said, I bought it, it was too light, I had to return it. So I'm gonna try it again. I have a Makeup by Mario Lip Lift Kit in Pink Nude. It comes with a lip liner and a lipstick. I've tried his lip liners and I do like them. So I thought this color combo was really nice, and so I wanted to give that a try. YSL, if you guys remember, I used to use the All Nighter, or what is it called? All Hours foundation all the time. I was on their PR list at one point and they sent me like five shades, and they were all like 3 or 4 of them like worked really well for me. And I loved them so much. So they just reformulated it. It's supposed to be even better. So I'm really excited to try it. So I have the All Hours Luminous Matte Foundation, 24-hour wear, SPF 30 with hyaluronic acid. I guess it has a bunch of really good skincare in it now. I have the shade MN7 in my cart, and I cannot wait to try that. There is a Lancome gift set that is also in my cart. It's the Idol mascara, the eye primer, or the mascara primer, and then an eyeliner. I love the mascara. If you watch my Sephora recommendations video, I do recommend that mascara. I also really enjoy the eyeliner. It's not my favorite eyeliner ever. Like, my favorite one is the Too Faced. I'm probably gonna purchase a few more of these, better than Sex liners. That's my holy grail favorite. But the Idol one is really nice too. It's, I think it's a felt tip, but I do really like it. And then you get the eye primer. Why do I keep saying eye primer? Mascara primer, which I've never tried. So I thought that'd be kind of fun. Now, Charlotte Tilbury, you guys know I'm a diehard for Charlotte Tilbury. She has some new Pillow Talk palettes. There is a fair medium and a medium deep. I swatched them in store. They're absolutely stunning, and I can't decide between the two, so I might get both. And then she also has a Mini Beauty Highlighter Wand Duo Set, Spotlight, which I love, and Pinkgasm. Pinkgasm has been sold out a ton, so I've been wanting to try that. And I do have Spotlight in the full size. These are minis, which I think are gonna be great for traveling, which I'm really excited about because we have a ton of vacations planned. We haven't traveled hardly at all for the last 3 years. And so we have some really fun stuff on our calendar for traveling. So the little travel size are gonna be perfect. And then the last thing that is kind of on my radar is the Charlotte Tilbury Diamond Chest of Beauty Stars. Now this has like a ton of products that I absolutely love. And it looks like a lot of them are a little bit smaller, which I'm like, oh, this would be so good for travel. But this one is $200, but it comes with a brow fix, which is a really great brow gel. The Magical Lip Oil, which I love, I finished it. I've had it in an empties that you'll either see or you've already seen. It has the Magic Cream, which I love. The Push Up Lashes Mascara, which is one of my favorite mascaras. Travel size of the Magic Serum Crystal Elixir, which is a great serum. I have that, I love it. I have a small one, a travel one that I take for traveling, duh, and then a large one. And then the Wonder Glow Primer, which is great. I've finished one of those before. A full-size Color Chameleon in the shade Golden Quartz, which sounds pretty. a full size of the Light Wand and Spotlight, which is a gorgeous highlighter, liquid highlighter. And then Rock and Coal in shade Barbella Brown, which just sounds like a brown eyeliner. A lip cheat in Hot Gossip, which I have. It's a really fun kind of warmer pink. And then a lipstick in Catwalking. And then the Flawless Filter setting spray, which I love. And I do go through those like crazy. So to me, that's like totally worth it. And it comes in this like cute little case. So I'd probably give that little case to Liv. She would absolutely love that, to put her little jewelry in. So that is it. Those are the things that are on my wish list or like in my cart that I'm kind of thinking about. Let me know what's on your wish list for the Sephora VIB sale. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Check out my recommendations video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.